So hello everyone. Today here we are to learn about something new, and today's our topic is Canva. So what's Canva? Let's understand. For that, first of all, what we need to do is type Canva in Google, and the first option which you'll get is Canva, which is online design made easy app. Canva is a graphic design platform. It is used to create media posters, graphic presentation posters, documents, and other visual content. So, you must have seen various posters created by different individuals. And now, being a teacher, also, you must have seen multiple posters have been created, and you must be wondering how such posters are created. And today, we are going to explore Canva, and we'll understand that how much time it takes to create the poster which you see. There are two versions. You can get the paid version also. You'll get extra advantage and extra benefit, but I guess the free version will also do. So let's try it out with the free version. You need to just click on get Canva free, and the moment you'll click on it, you'll get option of login, and you will have to log in. The moment you log in, you will reach on to this page, which is your home page. And when we are talking about the home page, the Canva home page gives you all clarity about what all things are available in this app. So let's understand. Let's see the top left corner. You will have the option of home. You can see my cursor there. Next option is template, and you can see there are multiple templates available for Instagram stories, for Instagram post, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn banner, all the personal invitation. And you can see hosts and hosts of benefits. For education also, we have lesson plan formats, we have worksheet templates, and everything available. We'll be also exploring all of them. Going ahead, what else is there? You can just click on the features and you can understand and explore the types of things available here. There is also option of learn, and in that you can learn about various things. You can see the options available. You can learn about blogging and different design and branding. And obviously there are plans available. Right now we'll be talking about only the free plan, and definitely if you'll go for a paid version, you will get extra benefit out of it. There is also a version for educators, and you can see this is the free version, paid version, and for the companies. So let's go to the basic discussion. So when we are talking about the Canva, on the left side, you can see when you are logged in, on the left side, you can see the recommendation which you will get. So right now I've just logged in and I'm just a fresher. So whatever I've tried it out, based on that, I'm getting a recommendation. So I tried creating some posters related to education, and you can see the posters and educational content is available for me to explore. You can see the options in presentation also are there. You can just click on it and you will get all the options. Social media, you have option of videos. You must have seen on Instagram reels how people are just putting, and you can see things are coming up and going, and you must be amazed at how is that happening. And today you'll understand how that happened. You can create print products, you can create products for marketing, office, and there are multiple options apart from that. All your designs will appear here, and you can see I've tried few of the design, and we'll also understand how it works. You can also share your work with others depending on how we'll go ahead. There is a option of classwork, which is when you log in as a educator. You can see I've logged in as educator also, and I get as an educator I get extra advantage, extra templates also available for me, and I can also create template, and I can also share it with the students based on how am I connecting it with my Google Classroom. So that's about Canva, and let's try and understand how it works. Let's try to create certain designs. So the moment you click on design, you get these options. And okay, because I'm in the education one, I'll go to the home page and then I'll click on create, and you can see these are all the options available. So you can create design for multiple things. You can just try and explore it. So I'll just tell you how for the education purpose it's good. I'll click on the classroom poster. So let's see how can we use it for creating classroom posters or posters for any event. For that say, you can see these are all the templates available, and as in more as in when you go ahead, you get multiple templates. On the left side there's an option of template. There is an option of elements also, where you can add backgrounds, you can add shapes and different content, audio, video you can add. You can also upload your own content if you have already created. There are option of text available. You can see here. You can also add background, and it is also, you can connect it with your Facebook account. There is option of emojis. You can add emojis. So let's try to create a template. I'll pick a basic template, very basic template, and let's see which one I'll pick it. I'll pick this one. So it says welcome to grade 6, and I'll just edit it here and I'll write it here. In place of that, I'll write let's learn about Canva. So you saw how I've just added this, and I could just go to elements. Sorry, I could just go to the text, and let's say if I want this text, you can see I just got that, and now I can just add in this also, whatever I want to add. But let's go ahead. What we'll do, I'll not do any changes here. This was just for a demo, so I don't want to write anything here. I'll just use the outline. So you can see, let's learn about Canva. It's highlighted. So the moment you'll see, you can see how it looks like. It doesn't look good. So what we can do is we can further edit it. I don't need this. And yes, now you can see it looks little better, and obviously we need to work more on it. So I'll just try to expand it, and let's see how it looks. Okay, awesome. So I guess this will look a little better. So you can see now I've got it in the template. Now what I could do is I could just change the template, and I don't have to worry about the content. Content is already there, and you can see the moment I'll pick this template, the content is there. I need to just rearrange the terms. So what I'll do, I'll pick one of the templates. So let's say I'll pick yeah, welcome to our classroom. It says that, and you can see let's learn about Canva is already there. So when I'm already using this template, what I could do is now I could just add the background. The moment I add the background, you can see the colors have changed. You can see how it is changing things here. The background is changing. So whichever I feel is suitable for my content, I can use that template. So I feel this is looking good for me, so I'll use this. And for the text also, to do is I can change the font from here also. So let's say I want to use this font. So you can see the font is changed there, and based on our requirement, we can have the font there available based on how we want to have the poster. So I've used this. Now I'll again try to change the template, and let's see if it works. So you can see this is the template, and this is how you can add different content here. You can just add, this was one of the template on Newton's law, and you can see this. Let's learn about Canva, and I'm just I'll just add content, and I'll delete it as well. So you can see this is ready. I want to add emojis. I need to just click on it, and I'll just take the emojis. So you can see the emojis, the thumbs up icon is also there, and yes, our poster is ready, almost ready. Right now, if you want to add animations to it, you must have seen on Instagram reels that how people just add animation, and you think, wow, it's good. You can see how it's happening right now. And there are some pro versions also, but the free version also is sufficient for us to go ahead. So now let's try to see how it looks like. So if I'll just click on download, I get multiple options, whether you want the downloads to be in PNG, JPG, PDF format, or PDF print format, and all those things. So what I'll do is I'll click on PDF, and I'll try to download. So let's see. I'll download in PDF also, and I'll also download in let's say JPG format. So let's see both of them, how they look like to us. So this is the PDF format. You can see how the PDF looks like. You can just share it with anyone. And this is the JPG. So when you are creating here PDF, the moment you create, you can also get the option of copy, and you can just share the link, and the person with whom you're sharing don't have to log in also, and will be able to access the form. You can see on the right side, obviously there is option of Canva, and but the person can just look at your design, and you can do further changes if you want to. So This is how it looks like. And once you are done with all this work, you can also go back to home, and in the home, all your designs are available. You can see your design just now, the one which we created is getting generated here. And you can see I had created previously another one just as a demo to understand how it can be shown. And this was the design which I had created previously. So you can see this like, so this is how cool format you can create. I also try to check about the multiple format on the LinkedIn. Also, people try to put their own content. You can see there is option of LinkedIn banner, and you can also change your LinkedIn banner from that. So there are multiple options available. YouTube channel banner, also channel art is also available, and that's how the Canva works. So it's an amazing tool. I guess you should try it out, whether you're using it for the posters or not, but just to explore, I think you all should try it out. And if you have tried and if you feel you have learned something new from this video, do put your comments in the comment box. And that's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.